This is day 2. We are going to Waterfall. यहाँ की नाम इतने weird है ना, but I had seen this on Instagram. I had researched और वो place मुझे बहुत प्यारा लगा. So that is why we are coming here. We have parked our vehicle outside. It's a 10-minute walk towards the waterfall. I hope it's amazing. जितना ही photo में दिखा था. Let's go. The road towards the waterfall 10 मिनट का लगा था, but ट्रस्ट में ये 15 से ज़्यादा मिनट चल रहे हैं हम. So we are at the Ubud market. The market is crazy. ऐसे लग रहा है ना हर चीज़ उठा लो, but obviously I can't do that. This was actually just a glimpse of the Ubud market. Market में क्या मिलता है, किस रेट में मिलता है, bargain कैसे करना है, मैंने क्या क्या खरीदा, all of that stuff is going to be in a separate video of Ubud market only. Now we're heading to a restaurant. We're asking for Indian restaurants and seeing if we get that. The market is crazy यार. If you're coming to Bali, Ubud market से कुछ नहीं खरीदा तो क्या किया? जहाँ पे Balinese शादी होती है, and this is how the entire ritual is done, decoration is done, all of that. Now we're heading, थोड़ा सा money exchange करना है, and we're gonna get that done, and after that we're gonna go to the Ubud monkey forest. Ubud city is full of creative people. ये देखो, this is the drainage cover. How creative it is, and look at these beautiful dream catchers. We're just walking through the city of Ubud. We are now going to the monkey forest. We took the tickets. 80,000 per person, no? 80,000 मतलब 400 rupees per person. Let's go. I'm so scared. बहुत पट्टू मैं. Starting से monkeys दिखना शुरू हो गए हैं. But we have to go. Oh my god, there are so many monkeys out there. I'll show you. Jaldi chalo.
celebrate. I can get mad. This no never ends, 'cause you are not.
We're done with the monkey forest. Now we're heading to Bridgewalk. Not many of them know this place, so I'll take you along. Hi, so we are at RIDGEWALK, 2 kilometers. It's kind of a trekking place here in Bali. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. I will see you super soon. Bye bye.